In this video, I'll show you how to repair a broken headlight holder for the Honda Rebel. This was the state of the Honda Rebel. So as you can see, broken in two pieces. Nothing more you can do it unless buy a new one. And this was the final result after the fix. So bear with me and I'll explain you what I have done to achieve these final results. First step is get it welded. So you need to go to some place that do alloy welding, and they can weld you the headlight holder. It's what pretty much I have done. We can see from the pictures right now what I have done. So the final job, it's not perfect, but we cannot expect much more after the welding. So we need the next phase will be to smooth this welding. I got sandpaper from Halfords. It comes with different abrasive sheets and it was perfect for this job. Here I'm setting up the workspace to start sanding the headlight holder. After sanding, so the final result is not perfect. So as you can see, we have gaps, but it's much better than it was initially. So we need a filler to fill these gaps and try to smooth it out. This is the filler that I used. It's a metal filler and it was quite good. The filler you can apply every 30 minutes, so you can apply or until dry anyway. So we apply the filler every 30 minutes, sand it, put another level of filler, sand it again until fill all the gaps and the holes, and try to rebuild the headlight holder and make it as close as to the original. So here I'm applying the filler all around the headlight holder and trying to reconstruct the missing metal and filling the holes. So it's quite a messy job. Just be careful. I'm not using the proper tool to apply the filler, but it was the only one that I had available at the time. And this was my first time doing this job as well. So I'm learning as well. This is a learning process. If you guys have any comments, please let me know. I know that I made lots of mistakes. Now is the time to let it dry. And then repeat the process multiple times. So apply the filler, sand again, apply the filler, fine again, until you get a good final result, until you rebuild the headlight holder. Here you can see the end of the process of applying the filler, sanding, applied filler and sanding. And it seems quite smoother. I actually sanded old headlight holder because I want to repaint it. Next step is apply a primer. So I used a metal primer and the application was every 15 minutes apply a new coat, and this was the final result. So this is not much to say. I apply every 15 minutes and then wait 24 hours until full dry. And here is the final result of the fix on the headlight holder. To paint, I went to Alford's to get the matte black spray paint. They gave me this, so happy with it. It worked. So I sprayed it over the primary that I put before, and as you can see, it's very difficult to see the where it was welding. You can actually see if you take a close look, but final result is quite good. It's my first experience in this kind of work, but I'm very happy, very happy with the final result. I don't see the time to put this back on my Honda Rebel. And if you guys need help to do this type of stuff. I'm not a pro, I'm still a beginner, but get back to me, I'll be glad to help. And see you next time, guys.